Wow, can you believe I actually have one of these? I'm pretty sure by the time I'm done filming this video it'll probably be sold. But we'll try anyway. This is a 91, that's right, a 1991 Toyota. No bones about its condition. Of course, it's very clean inside. We've completely gone through the interior and cleaned it proper. And it has 225,000 miles on it. Again, we're talking about the kind of vehicle that shouldn't be in as nice a shape as it is for its age. But, you know, hey, this is an SR5 V6 4Runner. I don't know how the back gate opens. I can't even figure it out, but I got the window down so I can at least show you inside how clean it is. I will tell you that this had an odor in it before, and it is gone, completely gone. It was miraculously cleaned and well shampooed. We pulled the entire interior out to get rid of it. There's a little dent right there. There's some rust down there. Tire tread's great. Look at them tires. I mean, good grief, those are just about new. Showing you the interior again. See, you can see the seats, second row. Just fantastic little get around rig. And that's really what it's for. We did some reconditioning on it. Nice old Toyota 4Runner here at Snowy Mountain Motors. Come check it out. You'll love it, or my name isn't Nick Skiba.